Are you drowning in research papers and citations? Let's compare 3 popular tools that can save your sanity: Citavi, Mendeley, and Zotero. First up is Citavi, the powerhouse from Germany. This tool goes way beyond simple citation management. It helps you organize your entire research process, plan your writing, and structure your thoughts. Citavi works perfectly with Microsoft Word and offers deep writing support. It's especially popular in German universities. The catch? It's mainly built for Windows users, although there is a basic web version for Mac and Linux. Next is Mendeley, owned by big publisher Elsevier. It has a sleek, modern look that's easy on the eyes. You get 2 gigabytes of free storage, which is more than Zotero. Mendeley shines at helping teams work together on research projects. It also has social features where you can connect with other researchers. The downside? Some advanced features require paid plans, and you're tied to Elsevier's ecosystem. Finally, there is Zotero, the free champion. It's completely open source and costs nothing to use. You get 300 megabytes of free storage, which is plenty for most students. Zotero works great with Word and Google Docs. It can grab citations from websites with just 1 click. The best part? No monthly fees ever. However, the interface looks a bit old-fashioned compared to newer tools. So which one wins? For students on a budget, Zotero is your best friend. It's free and does everything you need. If you want something prettier and work with teams, Mendeley is solid. But if you're writing complex research papers and need serious organization help, Citavi is worth the investment. The truth is, all 3 tools work well. Pick based on your budget, operating system, and how much help you need organizing your research. Happy citing! Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.